Candida here, and today I wanted to show you the 2-pack of the Bathroom Dispenser Cup. This is a small yet essential addition to the bathroom vanity countertop. I was so tired of having scattered paper cups or messy countertops, and I bought these, and they're compact and convenient, and what I love about it is I can simply place the disposable cups right into it. I can leave it on the counter and everything is nice and organized. I love the fact that it's a 2-pack. I can have one in the main bathroom, but I can also have one in the guest bathroom. So when guests are over and they need to freshen up, this gives them that availability. It's designed to hold disposable paper cups securely, making it easy to grab one cup at a time without causing a mess. There really isn't any installation. You just simply stick it on the countertop and you're good to go. The cups are perfect for mouthwash cups, water cups, or any other disposable cups you might need in your bathroom area. Having the cup dispenser has not only kept my paper cups neatly organized, but it did add that touch of tidiness I was looking for.